In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money online with the combination of Digistore24 and Google to make a solid income online, anywhere between $200 and $600 a day. This is completely free to do. You don't need any skills to do this. All you need is your PC, this video where I'm going to show you how to do everything, 10 minutes of your time, and you can be set up right after this video to start going and make money online in your Pinterest business. Pinterest is one of the most underrated social media platforms out there, and we can actually go and use multiple ways to monetize various different pins and boards that we post on Pinterest to make a really good income online, to get clicks, to build an email list, to plug in funnels and products and checkouts and sales pages into our Pinterest page. There are so many more ways than you think to make money out of Pinterest. Now, before we get started, I'm going to leave this emoji somewhere in the video. It'll be somewhere in the video. You'll know when you see it. What I want you to do is I want you to see, when you see this emoji, I want you to DM me on Instagram below. Send me a screenshot of the emoji in the video with the timestamp, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Leave a like on this video. Once you've done all three, the first person that sends me a screenshot of proof that they've done all three on Instagram, I will send you another $20 to your Bitcoin wallet address. So let's get started with this video and get straight into it. Now, Pinterest really fits with any topic. Just to show you a quick overview of the homepage over here, we've got weight loss, for example, 4 different foods that you can use to lose weight organically. We've got car content over here. We've got memes of Dwayne Johnson with his face on a piece of broccoli. We've got more cars. We've got a berry blast smoothie. So as you can see over here, Pinterest consists of mostly images that provide some kind of value or some kind of entertainment. Take a look at this. Here's a quick daily reminder of, instead of overthinking, write down your feelings. If you're anxious, move around and exercise. If you're tired, read. If you are confused, go for a walk. If you're sad, exercise more. So it's a whole bunch of positivity, daily tips. You'll see over here, if I click on one of these, for example, the smoothie shake over here, and I go and click on the link to this particular smoothie, it's going to take me to the recipe page of the smoothie page over here. Now, I want you to notice, take a look at this. They're running ads on their page. They've got a newsletter over here, another ad, some more ads down here. So using Pinterest, they are obviously monetizing their page with Google Ads and making money through monetization, and they're busy building their email list through Pinterest, which they perhaps sell upsells, various different nutritional shake courses or weight loss courses, you name it, to their email list. So they are plugging in their product on their own page to a basic Pinterest post over here, which is posted 5 minutes ago. It's already got 50 views. So you'll go and see a lot of posts that haven't got a lot of views. You don't need a lot of views on Pinterest on your post to be hitting the top page. Over here, you will see is, for example, the flat belly smoothie. If I open this up, it will take me most likely to, let's just go and have a look here if there is some kind of link. Okay, so this Pinterest doesn't look like it has a link. That's okay. We can come over to this Pinterest here. This Pinterest takes us to this website called missmental.com. Free affirmations, wallpapers for your phone that you can go and use. So again, they're making money off ads, growing their Facebook page. So many people are using Pinterest in many ways to make money, to grow other social media platforms, like this one was growing Facebook. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how we can go and build a business around this in the perfect niche with a perfect web page. Step number 2, come over to digistore24.com. Now, this is the affiliate marketplace that we're going to be using to find our affiliate products to go and plug into our Pinterest page. So over here, you'll see once you've registered now and or logged in with your existing account, you're going to land on your marketplace dashboard that looks like this. Now take a look at all the different categories that we can go and use. Now I recommend, out of all of these over here, go and choose something that you like, something that you enjoy or are passionate about. There's no better way than to make money or build a side hustle or even a career out of something that you enjoy. For example, we've got business and investment category, animals and pets, food and drink, health and fitness, fashion, if you enjoy fashion over here. So let's just go, for example, and click on fashion and see what there is. Okay, so there's only really this one bracelet over here. So this isn't a niche I would use on this website, maybe another website like ClickBank, but there isn't much to choose from at all over here. Now, a good example I had for today's video was the spirituality niche over here. And if we scroll down to this product over here, the Great Manifestation Tool, 11 Sri Yantra for wealth, prosperity, and success. So it's an entire manifestation tool that obviously goes through meditations, ways of manifesting your wealth, prosperity, love, your different emotions. So quite something I've picked up on Pinterest recently is emotional and motivational quotes. People love that kind of thing. So for example, 10 affirmations for when you're anxious. So over here is a really good example of a post. We can come over to TikTok.com and find literally unlimited content ideas for Pinterest. We are going to be using TikTok to get ideas and influence for content for our Pinterest page. So if we come over to the search bar and type in manifestation, we can click on enter. Over here, we can go and view different TikToks. For example, the Whisperer method over here, we can click on this. Now we are allowed to go and download this TikTok and use this on our Pinterest page, provided that we give credit to this page. That is completely allowed. So we want to go and download this TikTok post over here without the watermark. So we copy the link, come over to Google, just go and search TikTok download without watermark. Click on enter. It'll be the first link over here. Paste your URL, click on search. It will search up your TikTok. Click on download over here, and now you've got a perfectly made video for Pinterest. Let's just remove that, download. And there we go. This is now downloaded to our PC. So I'm just going to wait for this to save and to show you. So yeah, you can see this video is now downloaded without the TikTok watermark, which is what we want. So over here, once we've got a couple of TikToks on manifestation, we can come back over here. We can search for more. So for example, we can use this one over here, download this one over here, download this one over here. We can download a whole bunch and basically create a compilation page of the best manifestation TikToks on TikTok and repost them on Pinterest. But remember, each and every post, give credit to the creator on TikTok. So for example, you will go and say credit to this person over here on TikTok in the Pinterest caption. Once you've got all of your pieces of content together, we can come over to Pinterest, go and create a new profile. I recommend come over to your home board like this, go and create a new pin, a new board, sorry, not a pin, and we can go and type here, manifestation, click on create over here. You want to make sure that keep this board a secret is unchecked, because if you click this, it's only going to be private. Okay, I've already got the manifestation board created. So once we've done and created this, we can go and click on plus over here, create new pin, and now we can go and create our pin. So over here, we want to go and click on upload that video we've just downloaded from TikTok, just like this. This is perfect. And over here, we can use the title of the TikTok. So in this case would be the Whisperer method. So we can go and type here, the Whisperer method. I want to just see if we can get an emoji. So let's just type an emoji, maybe like shh. Let's see what comes up. Shh, shh, or quiet. I want to see. Okay, let's just go shh emoji. See if we can just go and copy it off Google quickly. Okay, perfect. So yeah, we can go and copy it. Face with, okay, that's what it's called, the shushing face. I spelled it wrong. That's okay. We can go and paste this here, just like that. For the description over here, we want to go and type, let us take you through one of the most easiest and effective manifesting methods out there. We're then going to type here credit to, we just want to go over to TikTok, open up this user over here, go and copy their username like this. And we can type here on TikTok. And then for our destination link over here, we want to come back over to Digistore24, click on promote now, copy your affiliate link, and go and paste this over here. And as simple as this, we can go and create simple Pinterest posts that will get a lot of views over time. What I recommend is you go and post once a day, twice a day, and when your page gets bigger and bigger, that's when you start to see big sales from this. So we're going to click on add alternative text over here. I'm going to come over back to TikTok. We can literally just go and copy the hashtags of this TikTok and use that over here. So now we can go and click on save, and our Pinterest board is now ready to go and promote. Remember, we have given credit to this creator, so they will appreciate this more than anything because we're giving them more growth on their brand and more followers as well. The final step to go and boost your page, I recommend come over to the homepage of Pinterest, go and search manifestation. Just go and search up a couple of pages. For example, let's choose this one. Go and click on their homepage. You can see they got 1.1k followers. By the way, your Pinterest page wants to be some kind of manifestation name. We can go and click on followers over here and just go and follow a couple of people on Pinterest that are following these manifestation pages. These people will then see that you're a manifestation page following them, and they will probably follow you back. So this is a great way just to get a couple of followers in the beginning, and if you really easily want to grow your page. But what I recommend is the best way to grow is post consistently. The Pinterest algorithm will naturally reward you with growth, and make sure that you post without the TikTok watermark. Otherwise, you probably won't get a lot of growth. The algorithm will pick up that this is just a repost. So this is the perfect strategy I've given you in today's video to really build a Pinterest audience out of this and build a profitable business out of this. At the same time, you're building an audience which you can monetize in multiple ways down the line. But if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing and overall Pinterest, all the social medias, that's YouTube Shorts, TikToks, etc., I'm going to leave 2 playlists over here. One called Kartra Training, which will teach you how to go and create funnels and landing pages that you can plug into strategies like this to get even a better conversion rate. That's this playlist over here. Playlist number 2, which is my affiliate marketing course, which I've got over about 300 videos now in this course, is the best affiliate marketing strategies that I've posted and that I've used in the last 3 years in one simple playlist on YouTube, which will really help you out. So I recommend go and choose one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.